Hi, so today I will walk through the Lab4 applications. For the first one, I have watched uh, your lectures and I've read the book. And for the first application, which is the mortgage application, uh, I've took some of your structures and follow up with the book, and that's how I made the application. And first I'm gonna test it. So the first layout, so the purpose of the app is just exploring two layouts. So the first layout will be no editing, it's just showing results. So to modify the data, we click on the bottom. And this is the animation transition that's being applied to the application. Let's say 10, and here I will say, and here I will done. And this is another animation, and here's the calculation result. And for the code itself, here it's the well, first I made a two classes. The first one is the data activity and the mortgage. So the mortgage where the calculation been done, and the data activity where the calculation been passed to. And for resource, I made the animation, and here's the animation XML data, and that's it for my first app.